Welcome to online classes. This is class 6 chemistry book. Dear children, today we are going to discuss that is thirst for knowledge. So please open on page 4. J.J. Thomson. J.J. Thomson discovered the electron and proposed the Plum pudding model, according to which electrons are embedded in a cloud of protons. So these electrons are embedded, that means it is combined with a cloud of protons. The model represents that electrons are surrounded by positive charges in order to balance negative charges. So it is surrounded, these electrons, in order to positive charges in order to balance negative charges. Okay, this is surrounded because of this to make a balance this negative and positive charges. The Thomson helped us to have a better understanding of the atom and its structure. Now let us then we see the picture of Plum pudding model. This is Plum pudding model. You could see this picture. Now let us see the down one. This is, you see, this is the pictures. You can see this red one. Just you see this negative sign is given. Okay, this negative sign is called negatively charged electrons. Okay, this is negatively charged, and this is called, the space is there, this red one. Okay, this is positively charged sphere. Okay, this is positively charged sphere. Okay, this red one, and this sign, negative sign is given, that is negatively charged electrons. Okay, see now also here also you could see electron. This is electron. Okay, this is called positively charged sphere. This is the sphere. Okay, this is positively charged. Okay, now you could see this one also. Here you could see this one, the spherical cloud of positive charge. This is the spherical cloud. This is positively charged. Okay, this is electron. This negative, this sign is given electron. Okay, and this has spherical. This is spherical clouds. Okay, spherical clouds of positively charged. Okay, this is positively charged. Okay, now I think you understood. Now let us then we study Ernest Rutherford. Ernest Rutherford performed the famous gold foil experiment. Okay, he performed the famous, that is gold foil experiment. He proposed that protons and neutrons lies at the center of an atom in the nucleus. Okay, and are surrounded by electrons. He also discovered the concept of radioactive half-life. Okay, now what he proposed, that is gold foil experiment. Okay, now let us see the picture of gold foil experiment. Dear children, now let us see the gold foil experiment. Okay, this is positively recharged. Okay, this first one you see, this is positively recharged. When we make this when we make these particles, you see, you make a straight line. Okay, make a straight line, these particles. Okay, and when it comes here in this nuclear, okay, then it will direct the opposite side. Okay, and it will make the 90 degree. Okay, opposite side it will reflect the sign. Okay, and second one, let us see this particles. Okay, when the particles come in this line, okay, in this space, then it will reflect in different side. Okay, so when these particles, okay, it comes in the nuclear and it reflect the opposite side, this is heavy nuclears, we call heavy nuclear. Okay, why it is become like this, it reflected the opposite side because of this nucleus are heavy, that is why it reflected the opposite side. And here we see, here the particles, okay, it came the straight and it reflected in little bit the straight, okay, straight line it reflected, not the straight, this is 180 degree, okay, 180 degree he reflected, this is called positively charged. Okay, this is positively charged. Okay, then another particles you see, when we make the particles in straight line, okay, it is coming a straight line because it is a empty space. Okay, it is a empty space, that is why it this particles is going the straight. Okay, now you understood, this is the gold foil experiment. Okay, when the heavy nuclear is there, it reflected in opposite side, that is 90 degree. Then when positively charged, it is reflected in little bit in different way. Okay, and when this empty space is there, it this particles is going in straight way. Okay, now let us study Niels Bohr. Niels Henrik David Bohr developed the Bohr model of an atom. Okay, or we could say Bohr atomic model. He proposed that energy levels of electrons are decreased and electrons revolve in orbits around the nucleus of an atom. So he discovered that is Bohr atomic model. So let us see the picture of this Bohr atomic model. Now you could see, this is called Bohr model atomic. Okay, now let us see the down one. Okay, this is, you could see, this is, this one you see, this is called this middle one is called proton at the nucleus. Okay, then this one is called electron. Okay, this is called electron, and this electrons orbit, this is orbit. Okay, this is electron orbit. Okay, now let us see here, this is called electrons. Okay, this is called electron, and this is called this is called shell. Okay, and this one is called positive charged nuclear. Okay, positive charged nuclear, and this is called this is called energy levels. Okay, this x, 2x, 3x, this is called energy level. Okay, now you here you see, this is called nuclear containing positively charged proton. Okay, this is nuclear containing positively charged proton, and this is called this is called orbit electrons negatively charged. Okay, this is this small are called orbit electrons negatively charged. Okay, so this is the picture of Bohr model electronic. Okay, so dear children, today we will study this much. In next class we will be studying some important chemist or scientist, their name and what they have done and what they have worked out. So in next class we will be studying. Thank you for watching this video.